Like, actually. Is it coming back? No.
In 4 miles.
I see that
left to
flag
line
again.
95 south.
Thank you for welcoming us.
Oh, you can see it really nice on the camera, too. Oh, yeah, you can see the airplane. There we go. Yeah, they should be able to see it. Woo! Sick. It's a lot, and I want to close up in real life. It's pretty sick. Yeah, earlier just like jet shows, but it's pretty cool too. Woo! Gotta make sure. Whoa.
It's on my window now.
Oh, here in the less than 1 hour mark until we get to the curve. Till we head to where. Are we in Miami right now?
We're on the outskirts. Yes.
We're on the outskirts of Miami.
High five.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Just this high five.
Oh, I don't see any more birds over there.
It must be gone in the cloud.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Sick. Hey, they're having an air show?
Yeah, they are in Miami.
It's pretty cool.
See it to the left there, the flag still?
I don't see it.
Right there.
Oh, where?
Yeah, it's real low in the trees, straight out that window to the left.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, yep. Yeah, I only saw the camera. You can only see like a speck.
It's starting to turn angles.
Yeah. Oh, is it gonna come back?
I don't know.
Oh, it's like a little speck. I thought like someone like just got a flag and threw it in the air, but like it was so cool because like it looked like it was like straight on my natural phenomenon. Oh my gosh. Nice little cargo truck. Wow. It's crazy.